Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram application, then you need to click on your profile picture at the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars, and then you need to click on settings. Then you need to click on account, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to click on switch account type. First you need to switch to personal account, and then you need to click on switch to personal account. Once my account is switched to personal account, then I need to click on privacy, and then I need to click on account privacy, and I need to click on private account, and I simply need to click on switch to private account, switch to private. So you can see that my account is now switched to private, and I can review my followers, and I can remove followers also. So by following these steps, you can easily switch your account into private account on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.